12-year-old Wahid lives in the slum area Bilal Colony in Karachi, characterized by poverty, unsanitary conditions, and social disorganization. Despite being a slum dweller, a fourth grader at the Citizens Foundation School, Wahid is ambitious. He wants to be a doctor one day. For his impoverished parents, food is a necessity, but education is a luxury. For the TCF schools, best known for providing quality education to the less privileged, will now make Wahid's dreams come true.
यहाँ ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है क्योंकि यहाँ की जो मिसें और मैडम हैं अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं, अच्छी पढ़ाई है.
Wahid's principal believes he has come a long way.
चीज़ों की आवाज़ें इस्म सूद कहलाती हैं.
वहीद हमारे पास लास्ट ईयर क्लास 3 में एडमिशन हुए थे. जब हमने इनका टेस्ट लिया था तो उनकी उर्दू इंग्लिश दोनों चीज़ें काफ़ी वीक थी और अब अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वो इंग्लिश भी रीडिंग कर लेता है 2 साल में.
From a tender age, Wahid has become aware of his responsibilities. He had to babysit his younger sister in the absence of his mother, who works as a housemaid, and father, who works as a watchman. His father, despite being physically challenged and less educated, is keen to educate both of his children. The strength of Wahid's desire to be a doctor compelled him to join a local clinic, where he is earning 300 rupees per month. He is already a success story. Like Wahid, Shakila is another beneficiary of the TCF. Studying at TCF's Al-Amin campus in Bhais Colony, Shakila aspired to be a teacher. Now she has herself adopted TCF's mission of imparting education.
पढ़ते हुए भी बहुत बेहतर फील किया और अब जब पढ़ा रही हूँ तो और ज़्यादा बेहतर फील कर रही हूँ और उससे ज़्यादा बेहतरी की तरफ जा रहा है हमारा TCF स्कूल.
Shakila says in dwellings like Bhais Colony, education, especially for girls, is never a priority. But TCF schools are agents of positive change as they encourage female enrollment. The TCF charges a meager 10 rupees per month from the students enrolled in its schools. This is from the total 900 rupees expenditure including uniform and books, which is borne by the foundation itself. The state of the government school is poor, and this dilapidated building of a government school in Karachi's Azam Basti bears testimony to this fact.
गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से ना कोई एक तो प्यून होता है, वाटरमैन आता है और सफाई के लिए खाकरूब जिसको स्वीपर कहते हैं, वो यहाँ पर अवेल नहीं है.
Those working in the education sector share the same views.
लेकिन हमें ये देखना चाहिए कि क्या वहाँ फैकल्टी मौजूद है, क्या वहाँ उस तरीक़े के असातिज़ा मौजूद हैं, और उससे बढ़ के ये कि जो सरकार जिसके वो स्कूल कहलाते हैं, सरकारी स्कूल, वो सरकार उसमें दिलचस्पी ले रही है या नहीं.
TCF's 15-year-long history has been to make quality education accessible for the downtrodden masses.
हमने गवर्नमेंट को ये भी अपील दी है कि जो स्कूल बंद पड़े हैं या जिन स्कूलों में कोई मसाइल हैं या टीचर्स की कमी है, तो बच्चे अब बिल्डिंग हमारे हैंडओवर कर दें, हम उसको चलाएंगे.
Since all of their schools are located in urban and rural slums, quality education and a better future seems now to be within the reach of those less privileged. Kiran Naz, Express 24/7.